Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to lock the home screen layout on this device. Go to your settings and tap on the option home screen. Here you can see the option lock home screen layout. Now this is disabled. You can see prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. Now this is disabled, so we can easily reposition any icons or widgets, and if we want to remove this icon from the home screen, then we can easily remove. So if we enable the lock home screen layout, now after this one we cannot move. You can see home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in settings. If you want to remove this one, then you can unlock. Otherwise it is okay. So it will prevent the accidental movement or deletion of application on your home screen. So simply in this way we can lock home screen layout on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.